Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about various platform available for coding in a online medium. You can code in offline also. There are many uh, platform and IDEs for that. You can use Visual Visual Studio, Dev C++, etc. But for a beginner who want to start coding, then it is very difficult to get through all the installation process of the IDs and various configuration that have to be made. For instead of that all that stuff, you can get going by coding in online. You can use the various IDE platform for code forces, that is of custom test. You can see here how you can open custom test. It is like this: you search for code forces and it will open, and go to the program statement, and in there you will find there is a custom test. Click on that. You will get a blank area where you can code. You you have you can see here there is a starting specialization is here. You start writing your code here, and you can also input your whatever the requirement of the code in here. After that you can code on gigs of gig IDE, and you can select various programming languages like C, C++, C Sharp, Java, Perl, PHP, Python, Scala, HTML, JS, etc. You can also code on a CodeChef. It is all the platforms are very free. You don't need to buy for subscription and all. If you want to log in it at an coding profile, then you can sign up new user or login, or else you can just go write your code and compile and run. It is free of cost. It has tutorials point here. It is very interactive, and it is seeing very nicely. You can see there are more than 75 plus programming language are there. You can work any on this. You just click on, like it is a Python. When I click on it will open like this. You just write your code on this side and execute it, and simply you can get the result in a right hand side. And moving on, you can also code on code blocks, where in this also you can select the all the languages: Kotlin, CSV. The language is not so popular, but you can find uh, by your own which language is suit for you, and in which uh, you want to code on. So you can see my PPT also. And is no I is this platform or language specific? I already shown you that you can select the in every online platform you can select the language itself. Like here also you can select here this, and based on that language start coding that supports language. Hello world in these program, like you I shown how it gonna work. And platform is recommended by me. I generally do contest on code forces. That's why most of the time I use code forces custom test. It is very nice and it is fast too. And I clear my concept on Geeks of Geeks most of the time when I was in a beginning phase. Then I used to code on Geeks of Geeks IDE, or else you can try by yourself and see what works for you. Thank you guys, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm gonna make these type of videos only. Okay guys, bye.